You were supposed to join Binibining Pilipinas back in 2022.
Yes.
So can you tell us the reason why did you resign as a candidate back then?
Okay, 2022, I've been training for that since 2021 under Aces and Queens. And then kabatch ko dapat sila Nicole Borromeo. And I was already an official candidate that time. But I had to withdraw because I was also working and there are conflicts with my contracts. So I understand that time and I had no control over it, so I had to withdraw. And I also understand that season of my life is really meant for something different. That time, a month after my withdrawal, my dad passed away. And then I had, medyo tuloy-tuloy yung nangyari sa akin eh. So I had to close a business. I experienced being betrayed by a friend. I was catfished. This is the first time I've mentioned that. There are a lot of things that happened to me during that year, and I consider that year really as my pruning season. And there are things that had to go away first before I fully embrace the season that I'm here in now. And after that time, I had to work abroad. And I continued just pursuing my career. And then I had to go back in 2025. That's when I joined Miss Baguio and then my previous national pageant. And then after my national pageant, I really told myself na last pageant ko na yon. But after that, there's really something in me that there's really hope pa. Not if this is not for me, I know there's something else. And I was led back to my first dream and my first crown that I really wanted, which is Binibining Pilipinas and of course the Miss International. I've been praying for this for so long and I feel like I was prepared for it for how many years. And when I had the opportunity to join again, actually, ang dami nagsasabi na, overage ka na, No, I'm not overage. First of all, I won't be qualified sa Binibini if I'm overage. So, I'm 27 years old now this year. And sabi ko rin sa sarili ko, this is my last time to try. And I really have to be courageous enough to really try it this time. And when I entered Binibini and when I was an official candidate, accepted as an official candidate, as I told myself na I really have to finish what I've started. And I enjoyed my journey. I get to gain new sisters, and it's really just an answered prayer that I also get to clinch the crown this time. So I'm really happy. And when it comes to pageants, I really believe in destiny and perfect timing. And I feel like that's what happened to me. And to my sisters this year.
Have you talked to